Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin with essential safety steps. Back up your iPhone to iCloud or to your computer so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Once done, plug the device into power and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to prevent interruptions and avoid mobile data charges. Then go to Settings, choose General, tap Software Update, and hit Download. This starts the process. The download may take minutes to an hour depending on size and connection speed, so remain patient while files transfer. Once the update finishes downloading, tap Install Now or schedule it to run overnight so it installs without interrupting you. The installer verifies the package and prepares your device. This part can take time as the system checks integrity and migrates settings. If you run into insufficient storage, offload large apps, delete unneeded media, or connect to a computer and update via Finder or iTunes to bypass space limits. Make sure the phone stays powered and do not force close the update while it's verifying. After the update completes, your iPhone will restart and perform final optimizations. Check settings, test key apps, and enable any new features or privacy prompts. If something went wrong, such as the update failing or the device stuck on the Apple logo, first try a force restart and then attempt the update again. If that fails, use recovery mode on a computer to reinstall iOS without erasing or restore your backup. Key troubleshooting tip: force restart immediately and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.